Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
It's 30 minutes and many more. No more bets. Best of luck. Dafa, how are you doing? How are you feeling, Dafa? It is such a pleasure to have you here. Thank you very much for joining. I'm back here, back again. It is such a pleasure to have you all. Let's unveil the winner result for this round. Oh, and we're starting our session great with the sweet spins. Congratulations, and now please follow me to the sweet spin screen for our bonus game together. I'm so glad to see you all excited, but I do got one question though. Are you ready? Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, starting with our first spin. We have some plums with the bananas and a sugar bomb, 2 sugar bombs of 5, a total of 5. We have the red apples, 8 more spins to go. The bananas, the plums, and 3 lollipops, which means 5 more spins. Nothing here, let's continue. We have the plums and a sugar bomb of 8. Nothing here, let's continue. 9 more spins to go. Nothing here, let's move on. We have the plums and 2 sugar bombs with a total of 6. 7 more spins. The plums, the grapes, 6 more spins to go. We have the grapes and the plums with a sugar bomb of 4. The bananas with the plums and the grapes, the blue candies, and 3 lollipops, which means 5 more spins. We have the blue candies with 2 sugar bombs, a total of 5. 8 more spins to go. Nothing here, let's continue. We have the red apples with the plums and the grapes, the bananas, and a sugar bomb of 2. 6 more spins to go. We have the plums with the grapes. 5 more spins. The bananas with a sugar bomb of 4. We have the red apples, the bananas, and the purple candies. The plums, the grapes.
Nice.
And 3 sugar bombs with a total of 13X. Wow, what a great sweet spins. Nothing here, let's continue. 2 more spins. Nothing here, let's move on to our final spin. The plums with the grapes, the blue candies, the bananas.
Nice.
Wow, this is going to be huge. And a sugar bomb of 50.
No, I'm not married. My name is Carlos. Carlos Deville. But you can also call me Thanos, Agent Smith, Voldemort, Agent Smith. I like. Mr. Anders, we meet again. I must thank you, Mr. Anderson. You see, it was you who freed me from my shackles. To the grave section, Mr. Anderson. You may now place your bets. You remember Agent Smith? Billions of people just living out their lives obliviously. No, best good luck. Ooh, it just gives you goosebumps, doesn't it? No, best. But yeah, I do agree with him, like billions of people just living out their lives. Obliviously. Sugar bomb. Says so many people from Indonesia and here 90%. Why? I think the vast majority of platforms are from Indonesia, I think, honestly. They got the 5S from Sugar Bomb with the boost, it can be double that money players. No, best good luck. Let's do this. Let's do this for Indonesia. Make Jakarta great again. Bubble surprise. Ooh, ah, Indonesia. Ooh, ah. Candy job. Kamu yang terbaik Indonesia, kamu yang terbaik, you are the best Indonesia. If this isn't respect, you know, I don't know what is. Honestly, talking your language. Just saying. Candy job, choose your candy, blue, red or yellow. Once again, we're gonna fall for the maze. We're gonna love you too. We're gonna fall for the maze, getting up value one by one. If your chosen candy hits all the purple hearted squares, you receive a 1000X jackpot. Aku mencintiamo. I love you. Aku mencintiamo Indonesia. I love Indonesia. Blue candy plus 10. Blank. Yes, sir. Plus 1. Blank. Red candy plus 10. Times 3. This is a good one. Plus 5. Look at it go. Excuse me. No, excuse you. Times 3 on a candy. Blue, yellow, pardon me, plus 5 times 3. Plus 5. And blank. Congratulations on the last followers. Goodbye, time yourself once again. And I wish you the best of all my new ones. Take it easy. Take it easy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hello, sweet. Wow. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Te amo. Te quiero. Te amo, te quiero. No, best good luck. Yes.
You're from Australia. How are you? What? I don't think I look like that girl though. Not really. But hi, welcome. I'm good today. How are you? Philly is great. That's amazing. I'm Dina, but you can call me Dina today, okay? It's short and it's easy to remember. 1 year of Paris Banana section. Congratulations. Deserve it. So you can call me Dina. It's a pleasure to meet you. So you watch Amanda. Johnny, just call me Amanda. Let's be in the video. Dina, hi. Hi. Bits and now close. I do, Johnny. I do watch. Yeah. Bits are now closed. I watch too much that I should actually. Hi, Olivia. Hi, welcome. I should quit, but I can't. It's just too funny. That platform, I like it. You like the Swiss Miss belt? The candy? We're gonna have a candy drop. So let's move to waffle mix. Actually, today I like it too. Pretty adorable, right? Do you ever wait it out? Oh no, no, not actually. Johnny, I'll be right there with you. Okay, we have 3 candies, blue, red, or yellow. You need to choose your favorite one. If you're not gonna do that, the system will pick one for you. 4 chocolate bars. We're gonna shuffle them, and each one will contain 1 purple box. If your chosen candy will go through all 4 of them, you will win 1000X. Pretty simple. Let's get that, okay? So, best of luck. We're gonna start with the blue candy. That goes +1, red, times 3. +5, and white's an empty box here. That's the question. +1 with the red candy. Times 2. +5. Oh! I just realized 1000X for the red. No way. What?
I tried everything. I don't know what else to do in this case. But, you know, hopefully it will be solved soon. And I'm very sorry for your inconvenience, C300. We have a 2 blue part of the grape section. Congratulations for the winners and good luck into the next round too. You may now place your new bets once again. Thank you very much, you guys. Alright, well, another spin, hopefully another win. Come on, let's go for it. Bets are closing soon. Aw, that's very sweet of you to say, Anza. No more bets. Best of luck, my dear and lovely ones. Alright, well, fingers crossed. Let's see. ASU. Well, I'm sure we're going to have some more sweet spins. We just got them in the last session, so maybe this is the beginning of a beautiful sweet spin streak. What do I think of your chat? Well... Okay, well, first we have a bubble surprise. I will come back to our conversation, Abyss. Now, follow me once again towards the bubble tower. Come on, come closer. Don't be shy. Don't hold back. Let's see what you guys are going to score. Candy drop, multiplier, or even a sweet spin. Now, let's go ahead and start the shuffle for the bubbles over here. All right, fingers crossed. Eyes closed as well. And... candy drop! Okay, all right, well. From the top, make it drop. Let me take you to the candy drop, you guys. Follow me once again towards the waffle maze and choose your favorite candy, red, yellow, or blue, before the system gets a chance to choose one for you. To acquire the 1000X for your bet, your assigned candy needs to go through all of the purple jackpot boxes randomly scattered across the board. Good luck to all of you. Let's start a shuffle for the bubbles with the multipliers over there, and let me know which candy was yours and what the multipliers were. May the odds be in your favor, you guys. Okay, y'all ready? Y'all steady? This is so exciting. 1, 2, 3 into the 4. Let's go in for the blue candy first. +2. So to answer your question, Abyss, empty box. Sometimes they're nice, sometimes they're not. +2. And ×4. Let's go for the red candy. I would say today I'm more in a sizzled state of mind. +5 and ×2. +1. Okay, all right. ×4. You guys, we had the jackpot for the red candy. 1000X for you. Congratulations. Okay, let's go for the yellow candy as well. I do not believe that. That was beautiful. Okay, well, +2 and ×2. +1 as well. An empty box. Congratulations for all of the winners and thank you so much for playing. Let me take you back to the wheel. Thank you for your service and I'll see you next time for the candy drop, you guys. Enjoy your winnings and betting time's open. Well, that was quite something. That was quite something. I loved it. Alright, well, you know the drill. Let's go ahead and spin the wheel. Let me know how many of you guys actually got the candy. You got nothing to thank me for. I'm just very happy that you were happy. No more bets. Best of luck. Why, Abyss? Did you get the jackpot for 1000X as well? Because if you did, congratulations for that.